How much should you actually spend on a 3D printer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Bamboo Lab A1. The Bamboo Lab A1 3D printer caught my attention right away, especially at $299.99. Its promise of high-speed precision is definitely appealing. If you want a reliable printer that offers impressive features for vibrant multicolor printing, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the full auto calibration takes away the headaches of manual setups, ensuring your prints turn out just right every time. And at a solid 4.6-star rating with 470 reviews, it's clear that others have found value here too. Just imagine being able to focus on your projects instead of troubleshooting. This printer lets you do just that. Now, some people complained about needing the AMS light for multicolor printing, which is an additional cost. Here's the thing though, you might find that the standard prints are impressive enough on their own if you're just starting. It's a trade-off between immediate functionality versus future potential. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring creator looking to explore 3D printing without getting bogged down in tech headaches. Skip this one if you prefer a more budget-friendly option without the bells and whistles. Overall, it's a great value for the quality you get. Now, if the price tag of the A1 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Creality Ender 3. The Creality Ender 3 is a well-known name in the 3D printing community, and at $175.99, its reputation is backed by its performance. If you want a solid entry-level printer that gives you the chance to learn and grow, this is worth a serious look. The Ender 3 features a resume printing function, which means if you hit a power outage or a hiccup in your workflow, it can pick up right where it left off. This is a lifesaver, especially for longer prints. Plus, it's open source, giving you the freedom to tinker and customize as you please. With over 26,100 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear that this is a go-to option for many beginners. Now, some users have pointed out that the assembly can be a bit of a hassle, taking about 2 hours. Here's the thing though, this is actually a great learning experience for first-timers. Plus, once it's set up, it gives you a deeper understanding of how 3D printers work, making you a better user in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a student eager to learn. Skip this one if you want something that's ready to print right out of the box without any setup. It's a great low-cost option that doesn't skimp on quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for ease of use. Product number 3, Entina Tina S. The Entina Tina 2S is designed specifically for beginners and priced at $199.99. It really delivers on accessibility. If you want a printer that lets you dive right into 3D printing without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. What's really cool about the Tina 2S is its compact design and fully assembled setup. With over 1,500 preloaded models, you can start your first project within minutes. It also offers Wi-Fi printing, which makes it convenient to send files from your phone or tablet. With a 4.2-star rating across 366 reviews, users are clearly satisfied with its performance. Now, some have mentioned that the build volume feels a bit limited for larger projects. It's all about focusing on the basics before expanding your skills. This is perfect for you if you have kids or if you're new to 3D printing and want something easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for a printer that can handle more complex projects right off the bat. For its price, it's a fantastic introduction to the world of 3D printing. Now, if the limited build volume of the Tina 2S concerns you, the next one is all about speed and versatility. Product number 4, FLASHFORGE Adventurer M. Next up is the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M with a price tag of $239. This one really caught my eye because it promises high-speed FDM printing without sacrificing quality. If you want a printer that can churn out models quickly and efficiently, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it features an automatic leveling system, so you won't have to fuss with getting that first layer just right. It's taken care of for you. It also has a high-flow nozzle for consistent results, which is crucial for smooth prints. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 244 reviews, it's clear users appreciate the blend of speed and ease. Now, some users have noted that setting up the remote app can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it up and running, monitoring your prints from your phone is incredibly convenient. It's a bit of a learning curve, but worth it for the functionality it brings. This is perfect for you if you want to speed up your workflow without compromising on quality. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a bit of tech setup. It's a strong value for those who prioritize both speed and precision. Okay, that was a fantastic option. But if you're looking for something even more beginner-friendly, let's talk about the last product on our list. Product number 5, HEPHI 3D Tina. Finally, we have the HEPHI 3D Tina 2S coming in at $209.99. This printer is also designed for beginners, and honestly, it really shines in terms of user-friendliness. If you want a no-fuss 3D printing experience, this is worth a serious look. The HEPHI 3D Tina 2S comes fully assembled out of the box, so you can start printing almost immediately. The auto bed leveling feature makes it even easier by eliminating those pesky first layer issues. With a 4.1-star rating from 175 reviews, it's clear that many users find it simple to use. Now, some users did mention that they experienced occasional connectivity issues with the app. Here's the thing though, this isn't a major issue if you're focused on local printing or using the included TF card. This is perfect for you if you want a beginner-friendly printer that's ready to go right out of the box. Skip this one if you prefer a more advanced setup with extensive customization options. For the price, it's a fantastic way to jump into 3D printing without the hassle. To wrap it up, we've looked at some impressive options today. The Bamboo Lab A1 for speed, the Creality Ender 3 for DIY enthusiasts, the Antina Tina 2S for straightforward beginners, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M for those who want efficiency, and the HEPHI 3D Tina 2S for an easy start. Each of these printers offers unique benefits while staying under $300, making them fantastic choices for different needs. No matter which one you choose, you're stepping into a rewarding hobby that can unleash your creativity.